channel about Ola electric scooter. This Ola electric scooter hasn't announced the specific date to release the scooter. The scooter is expected to hit the markets in coming weeks. Ola also revealed that the scooter will come out of a brand new manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu that will have an initial capacity of 2 million units. And this Ola is coming with 10 different colors. What we also know that the scooter is based on the Etergo app scooter. The Ola electric scooter gets the same signal telescopic front suspension as seen in the Etergo app scooter. Ola Electric has begun accepting bookings or reservations for its upcoming scooter at 499 rupees only. So we can book the scooter for 499 rupees and the booking amount is refundable. After booking the scooter, if we don't want the scooter, we can cancel the scooter. This amount will be refundable, including app-based start-up system and largest underseat storage space. The display is also expected to show information like calls, SMS alerts, navigation, ride statistics and more. Pair that with the Ola Hypercharge network, which the company claims will be the world's largest, DNS fastest 2W charging network with 1 lakh locations across 400 cities. So that Ola electric bikes can't charge in our homes. That can be charged in only hypercharge centers. The Ola is expecting the charge networks over 1 lakh in 400 cities. They are developing the charge centers. Also in some cities like Vijayawada, Vizag, Hyderabad, also they are developed charging centers. And Ola is trying to develop in another cities also. The Ola Electric promised that 50% charge in just 18 minutes and adding a claimed 75 kilometers range. And in just 18 minutes only, we can go for 75 kilometers range. Now we will know about the Ola electric scooter cost. This cost is expected as 85,000 to 1 lakh. Okay friends, this is about Ola electric scooter. Who are interested to buy this scooter, you can book for only 499 rupees and the amount is refundable. Okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Save fuel, save environment. Jai Hind.